that nice landing, we'd like to welcome you to Houston. The local time is 3:15 p.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. However, if you are sitting in an exit row, please refrain from plugging your devices back into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings. As always, please be careful when opening the overhead bins. If you're making connections here in Houston today, you can get the most updated connecting gate information off the United app on your smartphone or tablet. Otherwise, we do have departure monitors located throughout the concourse. If you do have additional questions, there will be a customer service agent available in the gate room once you disembark the aircraft. We're scheduled to arrive today at gate Charlie 5, that's C5. If Houston is your final destination and you have checked baggage, please proceed to baggage claim carousel Charlie 8. Once again, if Houston is your final destination and you have checked baggage, you can pick that up at baggage claim carousel Charlie C8. If you gate checked a car seat, a stroller, a wheelchair, or a walker, those will be brought up plainside. Please do not leave the jet bridge without those items. If you did have any luggage gate checked in New Orleans, it will be delivered to baggage claim at your final destination. If you do have questions about that, please refer to the baggage claim tag you were given, and it should have your final destination there for you to pick up your luggage. On behalf of the entire United team, our Star Alliance partners, and your San Diego-based flight attendants, we would like to thank you for choosing us for your flight today. We do realize you have a choice of air carriers. We sincerely appreciate your business, and we hope to see you again in our friendly skies in the very near future. Thank you, and good afternoon.